Hey there, nature lovers. Ever wondered what it's like to glide through the skies of Mongolia, feeling the wind beneath your wings? Today, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to witness the magnificent birds of prey that dominate these vast landscapes. First up, let's meet the golden eagle. This isn't just any bird, it's the epitome of power and grace. Golden eagles are known for their unparalleled hunting skills. They can spot a rabbit from almost 2 miles away. Imagine soaring high above the Mongolian steppes, eyes locked onto your prey, and then, in a breathtaking dive, you strike with precision. These eagles can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour during their hunting dives. Absolutely astounding, right? But the golden eagle isn't the only star of the sky. Meet the Eurasian hobby, a smaller but equally impressive bird of prey. What the hobby lacks in size, it makes up for in agility. Picture this, a hobby darting through the air, executing sharp turns and rapid dives, all in pursuit of its prey. These little acrobats can snatch a dragonfly mid-flight without breaking a sweat. Watching them in action is like seeing a real-life aerial ballet. Now let's not forget the steppe eagle, another phenomenal raptor. These birds are the true nomads of the sky, traveling thousands of miles during their migration. They have an incredible sense of direction, navigating vast distances with uncanny accuracy. Steppe eagles feed mainly on small mammals and carrion, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem by keeping the environment clean. They're like the janitors of the sky, ensuring the steppes remain pristine. And then there's the Soar falcon, a bird revered in Mongolian culture. Soar falcons are the preferred choice for traditional falconry, a practice that dates back thousands of years. These birds are not just hunters, they're partners to the Mongolian nomads, showcasing a unique bond between human and raptor. Watching a Soar falcon in flight is witnessing a piece of history in motion. One of the most fascinating aspects of these birds is their ability to adapt to the harsh climates of Mongolia. From the scorching summers to the freezing winters, these raptors have evolved to survive and thrive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Their resilience and strength are truly inspiring. As I wrap up this sky-high adventure, remember, these birds of prey are not just hunters, they are vital to the balance of nature. They teach us about the delicate harmony of our ecosystems and the beauty of the natural world. So next time you look up at the sky, think of the golden eagles, the Eurasian hobbies, the steppe eagles and the Soar falcons soaring above. They're the true masters of the sky, and we're lucky to share this planet with them. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more incredible nature adventures. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.